Hi everyone. In today's video we are gonna study the negative form. How to say no I don't. As usual, we have the subject and the verb. In the last video, in our question form, I taught you what a helping verb is. So in that, to make the question, we just took the helping verb before the subject. Subject is here, verb is here. In the question form, we just took do does here. In the negative form, the subject is the first part. We take do not. If the subject is plural, we take do not. The short form is don't. If the subject is singular, we take does not. That becomes doesn't. The verb is the same form. There is no difference. We studied this also in the question form. Whether the subject is a singular or plural, there is no difference. This should be eat, no s. So the first one, I don't eat, we don't eat, you don't eat, they don't eat, girls don't eat, boys don't eat, dogs don't eat. She doesn't eat, he doesn't eat, it doesn't eat, the girl doesn't eat, the boy doesn't eat, the dog doesn't eat. Let's take another verb, run. I don't run, we don't run, you don't run, they don't run, girls don't run, boys don't run, dogs don't run. She doesn't run, he doesn't run, it doesn't run, the girl doesn't run, the boy doesn't run, the dog doesn't run. If the subject is plural, don't. If the subject is singular, doesn't. Now let's take some examples. I eat, we drink, you sing, they catch, she writes, he brushes, it flies. Negative form, they are plural subjects. I eat, I don't eat. We drink, we don't drink. You sing, you don't sing. They catch, they don't catch. She, he, it, singular. She writes, she doesn't write. He brushes, he doesn't brush. It flies, it doesn't fly. The negative form. That's enough for now. I'll catch you soon.